Hi everybody, welcome to the Aura 32 YouTube channel. Aura 32 is an international community for creatives by creatives, helping each other share their voices with the world. We produce lifestyle, music, fashion, culture, entertainment, content, and we're really excited to bring you a new YouTube series called Fresh Faces. Fresh Faces is our makeup series documenting how people achieve their favorite looks, whether it be their everyday makeup, going out makeup, job interview makeup, go-to looks, stuff like that. So we're really excited to bring this to you guys. And today's gonna be the first episode of this series. I'm Natalie, and I'm gonna show you guys my go-to makeup look. This is something that I throw on whenever I kind of need to look a little presentable. I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do, this is what I'm putting on my face. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into it. I'm gonna bring you guys in a little closer. My bangs are a little wet because they were really frizzy this morning. I'm just gonna pull my hair back. They're really frizzy this morning, so I just spray a little bit of water on them. And then I run a little tiny bit of product through them, but not too much because it weighs down my hair. I definitely need to wash my hair, but you see, we're running late to class. So I already did my skincare routine. I moisturized and everything, so I'm good to go. But I'm gonna put on some lip balm just because I like to put on lip balm before I do my makeup, so my lips absorb the product before anything else. And so you guys don't have to sit through me having chapped lips throughout this entire tutorial. Usually I don't use primer, but recently I made an order with Milk Makeup and they sent me a sample of their Hydro Grip primer, and I've only used it 1 or 2 times, but I think it does make my makeup last longer, and I don't really use primers, so I think that says something. I don't know what it says, but it says something. So I'm just gonna take like that much and basically pat it all over my face and then kind of rub it in a bit. Now that we have that on, let's go to face makeup. Like I said, I don't really wear makeup every day, but if I'm gonna put something on my face, it's gonna be a light foundation, tinted moisturizer kind of thing. Today I'm going to be using the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint, and this is super light coverage. Like, you're probably not even really going to be able to tell that I have something on my face, but that's what I like. I like to spend money on makeup and then not be able to tell that it's there, you know? I'm going to take a brush. You can also blend this out with your fingers. It's super water-based and easy to blend, but I'm just gonna use a brush for absolutely no reason. This just kind of evens out my skin tone, which I really like. So as you can tell, or not, it's super light coverage. You can definitely still see all of my skin through it, and you can even still see like my problem areas, which I don't really mind. I don't really put on makeup to cover my problem areas. It's more just like to bring more life to my face, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to take 2 concealers, the L'Oreal Perfect Match and the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm just going to run those under my eyes. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. Pack that under my under eyes. Not too much, just enough to like help the concealer stay in place. Okay, there's a hair in my eye. There's an eye in my hair. Now we're gonna move on to one of my favorite steps ever, and it's gonna be bronzer. The Milk Makeup Mini Matte Bronzer. So we're gonna just apply this where you would normally apply bronzer. So I'm just gonna do like a couple streaks there, couple streaks here, And then let me move my bang. I like literally never see my forehead anymore, but I don't really want to. Us folks with big foreheads and long chins. We love bronzer. I'll speak for the community. And I'm just gonna blend this out with my fingers. Hopefully it's not too harsh. So for those of you who don't have bangs, 1, get bangs. 2, it's really nice because you don't have to like concentrate too much on like how put together your forehead looks. And I have a huge, I think I have a pretty, it's not huge, but it's really round. I just feel like it attracts light very easily and like all of that stuff. So it's nice to have it covered up. Now I'm gonna go in with a mini dual fiber brush and just make sure that all of that is blended out and there's no harsh lines and yada yada yada. I'm gonna be using the Milk Makeup Cheek Plus Lipstick thing. They send me this, it's like a sample size, and they send it to me in the package that I mentioned earlier. And I'm just gonna like apply a decent amount because we're gonna blend this out. And then I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose as well because I think it's cute. I really like this color. It's in the color Work with an E. Clever. Very clever. I'm actually going to take just like a really fluffy blending brush and I'm going to take a bronzer. This is Hoola by Benefit, and I'm just going to like run that my crease just for like a pop of color because I think my eyes look a little bit bare when I don't have something. That was kind of heavy-handed. There's no need for that. Absolutely no need. I'm so sorry. And then I'm going to just take the the extra powder left on the brush, and I'm gonna run it under my lash line. I'm just gonna go in with a spoolie brush and brush out my eyebrows. I'm gonna run the Glossier Boy Brow through my eyebrows. Jeesh, you can see the texture on my skin. At least this camera's working. It's doing its job, huh? Ignore that, you know, we're all human. What can we do? And then I just kind of throw my bangs on top of them. They look great. Yay! Now we're going to... What are we gonna do? One last step for the eyebrows actually is this clear brow gel from e.l.f. I've tried other brow gels, but since I don't have thick enough eyebrows, they just like glue my hair to my face and it feels really uncomfortable. So that $1 gel does the trick. I think it keeps my brows in place, it keeps the product on for as long as I need. I'm gonna go in with some highlighter. This is the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Spoon. It's a very pretty color, but it's a little bit light for my face. If I use it lightly though, it gives me a really pretty natural glow. I'm gonna put on some mascara and then we're gonna be done with this look. Yay! So I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara in the pink tube and the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black. This one gives me volume, this one gives me length. Together, they're the perfect match. Leave some little pieces hanging and tie the rest up in a ponytail. this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed my go-to makeup. If you want to see it looks like this, or if you're interested in being featured on our Fresh Faces series, email us at editors@or32.com and maybe you guys will make it to Or32's YouTube channel. Make sure to check out our latest articles on or32.com, and if you want to keep up with us on social media, our handles are at Or32 on all social media platforms. So it's been real, it's been fun, and I'm gonna be late for class, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!